This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming you are authorized to access the Broadband network and account. Look at the physical router label for a printed default Wi-Fi key. Note the SSID and the WPA2 or WPA3 type shown on the sticker. Record the router model and serial number for support calls. If the label is faded, photograph it for accuracy. Keep your account number ready when you contact the service provider for verification. Connect a device to the router using Ethernet or the current Wi-Fi connection. Open a browser and enter 192, 168, 1, 1 or 192, 168, 0, 1 to reach the admin console. Log in with the admin username and password printed on the router label. Navigate to wireless or Wi-Fi settings and locate the passphrase or pre-shared key field. Enter a new, strong. If you cannot access the admin console, perform a factory reset only if you own the router. Press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds until LEDs flash, then wait for reboot. After reset, use the default credentials from the router sticker to log in. Reconfigure Wi-Fi settings and create a new passphrase immediately. If the router is ISP managed, call the provider with your account number for verified support. They will reset or provide credentials after identity confirmation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.